Let's just say mag-quit ka, sige, tumigil ka. Wag mong galingan, wag mong itodo. Ano mangyayari? You will just fail and have a really poor, miserable life. Pero look at the possibilities. Mas marami. You can have a lot of money. And when I say a lot of money, that's 6 digits, 7 digits, 10 digits. Ang daming digits. Pag nag-fail ka, saan ka pupunta? 0. 0. 0. Yun lang yung punta mo. So bakit mo ino-overthink? Isa lang naman ang pupuntahan mo. Failure, bagsak, lagapak, sagad. But when you succeed, there's a lot of possibilities. You can travel the world with your family, with your loved ones. You can love yourself even more. You can buy a lot of clothes, buy a lot of products, experience a lot of things. Pag lumaki yung negosyo mo, pwede kang makilala sa industry mo. In reality, mas malawak yung possibilities. Mas marami kang pwedeng puntahan. So if you will overthink, siguro mas magandang i-overthink yung success. Mas magandang i-overthink yung kung saan ka magta-travel kapag mayaman ka na. Kung ano yung mga bibilihin mo kapag mayaman ka na. Kung gaano karami yung taong pwede mong tulungan. Kung ano pa yung mga business na pwede mong itayo. Kung sino ka na in the future. Gaano karaming building ba yung itatayo mo? Gaano karaming negosyo ba yung itatayo mo? That way, looking at all the possibilities, you can then enjoy the process. And I'm here to tell you that when you enjoy the process, life will get better for you and for the people around you.